Guess who curates secondhand collections for people? It's me.
Same, except I make them for me and I don't sell them. I'm gonna show you what I got. So let's start with my mood board. I wanted lots of color. I wanted colors that were gonna work really well together, with the focus being pink. I also wanted grungy details that were soft. So things like slip dresses, lace that I could kind of grungify, and plaid. Found plaid pants right off the bat and this really cool silky sheer top. I thought that they would work really well together, and do they ever. Obsessed. This is a leather jacket that I thrifted and cropped to the perfect length, and now it works with pretty much everything in the entire bundle, including this top, which makes me want to do that little move. I put that top with these pants, which I also thrifted for $4 from Goodwill. Pleated, drapey, they fit beautifully and I love them. If these two had a baby, it would be this Free People top. Coolest texture, absolutely obsessed with it, and the color is gorgeous. The neckline is really cool. It's almost like convertible. You can make it do different things, even pin it to create a keyhole, which I love. This was new with tags, slip dress, tie-dye, beautiful colors, the exact color that I wanted. And I love that I can grunge it up by doing like swapping out the necklace, black boots, black belt, love it. This is one of my favorite finds. It's such a cool print. It's like linen and drapey, lobsters and pineapples and starfish, and it works amazingly with everything. I threw it on with this skirt that I also thrifted, and then that skirt could be paired with this t-shirt or this sweatshirt or this shirt or this shirt. All of the colors blend together, which is like an entire new wardrobe for me. This was a beautiful sweater, red and pink, which was big on my mood board, with embellishments. The sleeves are like liquid drapey because they're so oversized. The fit of this sweatshirt was amazing, but it had a weird graphic for some like electrical company. So I bought a $1 t-shirt with a rainbow on it and then embroidered it on, turning it into a custom sweatshirt. It works awesome with these jeans that I thrifted 2 sizes too big, which always makes great boyfriend jeans. This dress is Nanette Lepore. These are my alteration plans: shorten and tighten. This color wasn't on my mood board, but I'm obsessed with tangerine anytime I find it. And I just love this like stretchy knit with the perforated holes. Something about it felt really kind of sportswear to me, so I love it with a baseball hat and sneakers. Then this was a really beautiful color. I just felt like this is something that I can layer and tie and wear a million ways, and I absolutely love that. And this skirt had almost like a metallic olive green, which I thought was really cool, and there was a million different ways I knew I would wear it. And then last up, I found this slip dress. I knew that I could grungify it so easily. I could wear like a sheer top over it or maybe a sheer top under it. The beauty of building out a mood board to go thrifting is that it's really going to focus your brain to find things that complement each other. So for every piece that you thrift, you end up building out like a capsule collection where all the pieces can be interchanged and worn together and separated. So it's a lot of versatility for not a lot of money.